Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I've really missed you all. How have you all been? Oh, it has been a while. Like, I've missed you guys. So, because I just gave birth, guys, so I've not really been doing makeup for myself. Look, you can see my brows. It's been long. Even before I got pregnant, I think that was the last time I did my makeup before I got pregnant. So ever since, I've not really done my makeup. Since I gave birth also, I've not done my makeup. But I've been doing makeup for people though. I started working. I've resumed work. So in case you have any job for me, I am ever ready to give you that beautiful look on your wonderful day. So that is it, guys. So for today, I'm just going to be showing you guys my new phone. You guys know I love like a good phone. I'm actually a fan of a good phone. So like my dad is that kind of person. He doesn't really like, he's not a fan of big phone. Like if you don't use this big phone, you will not be all right. So if there's any small phone, as long as you can use it to browse, he's okay with it. But for me, his daughter, I love good phones, really. I love good phones. So last year, guys, you remember I bought a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I also did the unboxing. I showed you guys and also the review and all that. It was the Phantom Silver. So this year, S22 came out again. But the good thing, because last year I wanted to get a Note 20. It has pen, but unfortunately I couldn't get it. So, and you know that the S series, they don't use pen. So when this S22 came out this year, I was so glad that it has pen in it. So that is the reason I went for it, and I ordered the burgundy color. So, and here it is, guys. It arrived today. I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. But the thing, I'm kind of scared, okay? Because the message I got from the company that sent it to me, they wrote that red, okay? Because last year when I ordered my S21, I ordered the S21, then they gave me a clear cover, which was the gift. Um then with it came with adapter. That's all that came with it. But this one I ordered a pouch with it, then adapter also, but I had to pay for it. Okay, it's not included in the phone. It's just the phone like that, nothing more. So I bought the pouch, then the phone case. So let me just unbox it with you guys so that you will see, we'll all see the phone together. Okay, this is how it came. All right, I don't know if you guys can see clearly. So it's kind of blurry though. I'm trying to show you guys. It was GLS company that brought it, guys. Okay, from GLS. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Okay, yeah. So GLS brought it this morning. So let's unbox it, guys, and see what's inside. Don't mind me, I have my kitchen scissors with me. It's fine. So guys, I decided to do this now because the kids are taking their nap. So you guys know, if they are both awake, it will be difficult for me to do this unboxing and review of my new phone. So I had to wait for them to to sleep first. So I just pray Kendrick doesn't wake up, okay, while I am unboxing. So yeah, this is it, guys. As you can see, it's sealed. I don't know, it's kind of blurry. Yeah, I think it's better this way here. So I'm just going to go right here. Ouch. This carton is really strong, guys. Okay, it's like the main. Okay, yeah. To try to open it right here, so it won't be difficult for me to bring it out. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. So look, guys. Wow, I think this one is just, I think it's for protection. So this is what is inside the carton. You can see, guys. So let's go right to unbox. So this is it, guys. You can see it's sealed at the both side. So I'm just going to do, then I'm going to move over here and do the same thing. So the seal, guys, is written Samsung and all that. Do not accept if seal is broken. Okay. Wow, guys, look at this. Take a look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Hi, thank God. Guys, you know, I told you that I was so scared, like, because when I saw red, I was like, hope these people are not going to bring red for me. I did not order red, though. Look, guys, what do you think about this phone? This look amazing. Look, guys, this is gorgeous. Wow, I love it, guys. I love it already. Look, it has this right here, plastic. Then it has another one right here. So, guys, like I was saying, take a look at this. I love the shape. Like, it's different from the S21 and it's also bigger. So, where is the pen? Okay, it's right here. Look, guys, this is beautiful. So it's like a click, like when you just push it, it comes out. Then when you push it, you hear the click sound, then it goes in again. So let's keep that one aside first and see what's inside the carton. Okay, I think this is just the manual. Yeah, that's it. So it has the pin right here to open the to insert your SIM card. Then it has the USB cord. Okay, look. So basically that's all that came with it. So guys, it doesn't have adapter. I just ordered that one separately. So guys, let's check the phone pouch and the charger or the adapter. So I'm just going to, so this is how it is, guys. Just for you guys to see it clearly. There's no, I I don't know why the write-up is not showing, but I think it's better this way now. All right, so like this, yeah, perfect. It's not that obvious, but I think it's better. So here, guys, is written 45 WPD power adapter. So compact design, USB-C port, USB type C to C cable. All right, then down is written Samsung. Kendrick woke up, so he's right here. He's right beside me, unboxing my phone with me. So this is the clear. I don't know why this thing is kind of white. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. No, I don't know what is wrong, but this is the clear cover. Oh God, yeah. I think when I do it like this, the only way you guys will see it. Well, let me just bring it out, okay? So I'm just going to open it. I have my AirPod on. You guys remember the AirPod from my S21? You remember after the phone arrived, I had to kind of go place the order for the AirPod to claim it. In fact, you know, it was free, so I didn't pay for it. I'm sorry, guys, in case if you hear noise. It's Kendrick. I don't know what he's doing. He's playing. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this out. So guys, you can see it's clear cover. Okay, so this one is not free, unlike, you know, when I ordered that S21, the clear cover was actually a free gift, but this one, no, I had to order this one separately. So then here is the adapter, which I also ordered separately. So let's see what's inside. I'm just going to open it gently. Ignore the sound, guys, from Kendrick. What is this, guys? Guys, this thing is heavy. What is this? What? This is like 2 kg right here. So the thing is, this place where you put the USB is smaller. It's not like the other one I bought for my S21. Okay, guys. All right, see. This is the USB. Okay, because I bought this one separately, so it also came with USB cord. Then the other USB that I showed you guys before, that one is the one that came with the phone. The one here is the actual USB that came with the phone. So this one is the one I ordered separately. So in case you are going to buy the S22 Ultra, so this is the only thing you have to expect: the phone and the USB cord, nothing more. So these other two, I ordered them separately. So that is it, guys. But the charger is really heavy, but they said it's a fast charge. So I'm going to show you guys this. See, this is the carton for the S21. You can see that it's written like with silver S. Then it has the 21 on it, so it's kind of bigger. So take a look at the S22. It's just the X. Okay, there's 22 inside. There's 22, guys. See, there's 22 here, but black. So it's not that obvious, but there's 22 right here. So the S is smaller and the S is also red. It's not silver. But the carton, guys, see, you can see that the carton of the S21 is bigger than the carton of the S22. Okay, so that's it. But I'm going to come back, guys, to show you the review. I just want to use the phone first, Then I will come back to kind of do a review about the S22 and the S21, or I will just do only review for the S22 for those that want to buy S22 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is the uh clear cover. So let me just put it and see how it fits. No, okay, I think okay, it's like this. Yeah, it's really nice. I like the fact that you'll be able to see the color of the phone. So it's really nice and it's big. So let me just on it. I don't even, okay, right here. But for now, in case you are planning to get S22, the phone, if you're a lover of big phone, but if you know that you don't like big phone, Kendrick is also saying, in case if you don't like big phone, don't go for this phone because the phone is huge. Okay, it's huge. It's bigger than my S21. Okay, so but if you are that type that loves big phones, so you can go for this S22. So I'm just going to bring it closer to the camera so that you guys will see. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you watched this video to the end of this video, I love you guys. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to Stacy Sparkle, to this family of reviewing and doing amazing makeup, so please, what are you waiting for? Run now and hit that red subscribe button, okay? You can hear Kendrick is talking. Kendrick is saying, run, 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 run fast. And hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell, guys, so that you will be notified anytime I come to show you guys a review of this phone. So, all right, guys. See you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.